Hi friends, welcome to my asadreview channel, wpfunnels. Wanna grab your share from the huge $48 billion sales funnel creation industry? World's ultimate WordPress-based funnel builder that creates 50,000 plus ultra-fast, profitable funnels, sales pages, checkout pages and much more at an unbeatable, low one-time price. Use this next-gen WP funnel creator to instantly create and sell 50,000 plus mind-blowing sales funnels, landing pages, thank you pages with zero coding and designing skills ever. Never seen before. WP Funnel Builder creates 50,000 plus professional sales funnels, landing pages in 3 clicks. Everything is hosted on your own servers. Boost branding with zero dependency on third-party servers. Instantly create high-converting funnels with landing page, sales page, checkout, cart, upsell, downsell, thank you page without even a single line of code or design skills. Use world's most innovative drag and drop page builder to edit anything in few seconds. Supports global payment gateways to sell easily anywhere in the world. Get tons of amazing free plugins to drive maximum leads and sales. Using WP Funnels unmatched WooCommerce integration to work seamlessly with all major platforms. Connect any autoresponder in a flash and make the most from your leads on the fly. Smartly create industry standard funnels and landing pages from one easy-to-use dashboard. Stop paying monthly to ClickFunnels, Kajabi, OptinMonster, and other third-party platforms. Get exclusive commercial license to create and sell profitable funnels, landing pages, bonus pages to globally scattered audience. 100% easy to use, newbie-friendly technology that's never seen before. Grab this first-to-market, WordPress-based funnel builder that bids adieu to third-party platforms blowing funnels for a low one-time fees. Get the world's fastest and smartest WP funnel builder before the price shoots up. Low one-time payment. Get lifetime benefits, 30-day money-back guarantee, 100% satisfaction assured. Friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description. Thank you for watching my video.